everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out or sign out of Peacock TV account. So let's get started right away. Open your web browser and go to the URL box and type in peacocktv.com and search. If you're logged into your Peacock TV account and you'd like to log out of it, then the process is quite simple. Simply go ahead and click on the account button from the main homepage of Peacock TV. Go to the top right hand corner and click on your profile avatar. Soon after you see this interface, click on the account button at the top right hand corner. It'll then take you to your account tab. Go to the top right hand corner and click on your avatar one more time, and in the pop-up, click on the sign out button. But before signing out, make sure that you remember your credential for your Peacock TV account. That is your email and password. Once you click the sign out button, you'll be redirected to the main homepage for Peacock TV, and hence you have been logged out. That was how you can easily sign out of Peacock TV. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.